что он там за забор зацепил. Видно немного вмятины, да? Ой, хорош.
Almost done. Almost done. And this is our next project right here. Ducati. And this is what we got from that damage. Everything is primed and nice and neat, and we're getting ready to paint this garbage. Can I lock the door? Roman, what's the name of this car?
I don't know.
Brand. It says Charger, Dodge Charger maybe. Dodge Charger. 1677 or what? I don't know. Painting almost whole side of the car. Outside, today's beautiful weather, 73, and we're getting this baby done. Beautiful, beautiful. Done, da? One more time, that coat. Less time of paint coat. We're doing a nice blend like that, and we're gonna get ready to clear coat it. We're done with clear, guys. Look at this. Door and a quarter panel. Beautiful job. Perfecto. Approve. I approve this message. Right, Roman? Nice. This is what we got. Outside. So this is my friend came. Look at this. He's from Ukraine, right here. And that's his car, right there. How are you, sir?
I'm okay, thank you guys.
You gonna look at your vehicle
Yes.
and check this out? Let's go.
Not check this out, just say hi.
Okay.
Был такой красивый с этой стороны. правда? И так-
Oh yeah.
И так я его подшаманил бы.
No, let's go look, right? You're gonna be impressed. Haha.
Охренеть. Да?
Oh yeah.
Нифига себе. А как так ровно получилось?
Professional. Wow.
Блин, она стала лучше, чем была.
Yes.